morning, girls. It's Miss White. Today we are on lesson 92, and it looks like this. So make sure that you have that out and you have your name written down. We're going to get started with our spelling sounds. Like we always do. Alrighty. Number 1 is A. So we make that by A consonant E, comma, A, or as a final sound, A, Y. Let me turn that a little for you. Number 2, R. That's just A, R. Number 3, O. O, consonant E, comma, O, or as a final sound, O, W. Number 4, we have and that's ER. Number 5, we have E. We can make E by EE, comma, E, or as a final sound, EE or Y. Number 6, we have S. Make S with a couple different letters, don't we? S, comma, C, or as a final sound, SS, SE, or CE. All right, number 7, we have U. That's U, consonant E, comma, U. Number 8, we have OR. That's OR. Number 9, we have OI. So that's OI, or as a final sound, we do OY. Remember, we just learned that one. And number 10 is Qu. And that is QU. All right, go ahead and make sure that you have these before I erase them. If I can even find my eraser. All right. Next, we're going to practice a couple spelling sounds. Or not a couple spelling sounds, a couple spelling words. Number 11. We're going to spell mother. If you want to try to spell it on your own, go ahead and pause right now. Otherwise, we're going to spell it together. And then that sound T, H, and then E, R. Number 12, we're going to spell brother. B, and then again the TH, brother. All right, make sure you have those two down. All right, next let's look at, we're going to talk about a new rule. It's called the vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel rule. That's a lot. And we're going to draw a line between our vowel and our two consonants on each one. Let's look at the word Atlantic. Atlantic. So when you're looking at a word to code, first you're looking at, are there any final stable syllables or suffixes? We don't have any suffixes or any final stable syllables. So the next thing we would look at is obvious coding. So what do we see? We see Atlantic. So we know our C gets its K back because it's making that K sound at the end. Next we look for the vowels and we label those. So we have vowel, vowel, vowel. We know that our vowel patterns always start and end with a vowel. So then we look at what's in the middle. We have consonant, 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 consonant. So just like I have up here, we have that same pattern down here. So when we're doing that, we know that we're going to draw a line in between the two consonants. And those are our different syllables. Atlantic. Atlantic. 3 syllables. All right, and then we would go and just do our regular coding. We have vowel consonant, our A gets a brev, vowel consonant, our other A gets a brev, and then we have vowel consonant again, and our I gets a brev. Atlantic. You see that? All right. Let's practice on 13, 14, and 15. We're going to go through and do a couple other words that we're going to spell, and we'll code them. On number 13, we're going to spell September. This is a tricky one. There's a P in September. September. So again, we do have our ER at the end, so we can put our arc there. And then let's look at our pattern. We have vowel, vowel, vowel. And in between we have consonant, 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 consonant. So again, we're going to draw our lines here and here in between our two consonants. You see how we're doing that? And then here we'd get a brev, and then we don't do anything there because that's our combination ER. September. Number 14, we're going to spell Atlantic, which we already did this one. We actually capitalized the A in Atlantic because Atlantic is like an ocean. Atlantic. So we're going to do that same thing where we have vowel. Oh, here our C would get our K back. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Brev, a brev, and a brev. Atlantic. Oh, and we're going to draw a line in between our two sets of consonants. Number 15, we're going to spell fantastic. Fantastic. All right. Again, we see our C, so that's going to get a K back. Here we have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. We're going to do that same thing where we draw in between our syllables, the two C's. We have A, or vowel consonant gets a brev, vowel consonant gets a brev, vowel consonant gets a brev. Fantastic. All right, make sure you have that. At least have the words spelled. If you don't do the coding, that's okay. I just wanted to show you how we're doing the coding because starting on the next 10 words, we're going to code. I lost my eraser. Did you take my eraser? All right, I'm going to have to use my hand because I lost my eraser. All right, let's start coding. Number 16, we have sarcastic. All right, we hear sarcastic, so we're going to put our K back on there. And then we don't have any other coding, so we're going to code our vowels and our consonants in between. We know we're going to draw a line in between our two consonants because those are separate syllables. And then we have vowel, consonant, brev, vowel, consonant, brev, vowel, consonant, brev. Number 17, absentee. All right. And this one, I just want to be sure I get it all right. First of all, we have our EE here. We're going to draw all that and put our macron on top of the E there. And then we have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So we'll separate our syllables here between our two consonants. And here we have vowel, consonant gets a brev, vowel, consonant gets a brev. And then we already have our EE there at the end that we underlined, our digraph. Number 18, appendix. Appendix can be two different things. On this one, appendix, you can see the picture next to it has the word appendix on it. That's something that's in a book that kind of tells you what else is going to be in the book. An appendix is also a body part that you have inside your body. So there's no obvious coding here for appendix, so we're going to do our vowels and our consonants in between. And then again, we're going to draw a line in between our two consonants for our separate syllables. And here we have vowel consonant gets a breath, vowel consonant gets a breath, and vowel consonant gets a breath. Right. Oops. Miss White skipped one. I'm sure you already have caught me. This was actually number 19. We skipped number 18. Let's put it right here. Interfere. All right, interfere. We're going to cross that E out. And then we're going to put a macron on there. So there we have vowel, consonant, E. Here we have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So we're going to draw a line in between our syllables again. Here we have vowel, consonant, our I gets a breath, vowel, consonant, our E gets a breath. And actually this is an arc. Remember our ER arc, so we're going to put that on there. Sorry I messed up on the numbers, you guys. And then on number 20, our last one for this group is interfere. Insistent. Sorry, I'm wrong again. Insistent. All right, there's no clear coding there, so we're going to do our vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. We're going to draw a line in between our two consonants in each group. Here we have vowel, consonant gets a breath, vowel, consonant gets a breath, vowel, consonant gets a breath. All right, make sure that you have all this. I know that's a lot. Adding this new vowel pattern is a lot of coding. But make sure you have that. Still don't know where my eraser went to. Maybe my little Cooper stole it. All right, we already kind of talked about drawing a line over to the picture that matches. I think you can figure this one out because the words are also on the picture. All right, let's look at number 21, peach. This has one of our EA digraphs, also our CH digraph, so we'll underline our CH. We're going to underline our EA, and here it's making the peach E sound. So we're going to cross off the A and give the E a macron. On number 22, we have shrink. Here we just have our SH blend, and then vowel consonant gets a breath. Number 23 is pony. All right, here we have our vowel, consonant, vowel. So we're going to draw our line here. Our O gets a macron. And our Y is making that E sound, so it's going to get that little dot up there. 24. Joining. Here we have a suffix. Here we have the suffix ing. We're going to box that off. Here we have our oi diphthong. Remember that odd thing? We're going to draw a little arc underneath of it. And that's all we have for joining. Number 25, we have cycle. Oops, that was right. I spelled it right. Doubting myself. All right. Here we have our final stable syllables, the CLE, and we cross off the E. Here we have the soft C, so it gets that kind of S-looking 5 underneath of it. And then our Y is making that I sound, so it's going to get that macron on top of it looking thing. All right. And then on here, you're going to draw a line from the word that matches the picture over to the side. And we're going to do on the back of your worksheet, down here in case you missed it, it says, the directions are down here in case you're confused. It says you learned how to divide words with the vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern. And you learned to divide words between double consonants. So on this one, you're going to choose words from the box that identify objects and the things that are happening in the picture. So see, it says the blank is blank. So you're probably going to pick people in the picture. So, like the mother is, and then what is she doing? cooking. All right, and then the girl, uncle is one of our choices, and I don't see like brother or dad or anything, so uncle is probably who this guy here is. Then there's a fourth one because we have mother, uncle, girl, and then what else? Food. We could say the food is doing something because what's the food doing on the stove? Look at these words and see. I think you'll find a word that matches for there. All right, and then practice these sight words. Make sure your name is up on the top of the paper and that you return it to school or to me if I'm in the room. All right, I'll see you guys next time.